I'm here. We're here at in Belgium. We're at the taxi right now, and it's because I'm doing my blog.
English is limited
It's okay. No worries.
on the right.
This one.
This one, just there. Yeah. We have every time the same.
Panis. Milta na ito iska. Milta. Tikatasta. First time namin dito sa Belgia. Medyo nagro-roaming around palang kami mag-asawa. Hindi pa gaano kami. Hindi pa namin na-adapt. Nandito pa kasi kami dahil very early kami dumating. Ang hotel namin, hindi pa kami nakapag-check-in dahil quite early nga. So, 3 o'clock, mag-check-in kami. So, mga 3 o'clock pa kami pupunta doon. Medyo meron kami puntahan na para bang marketplace. Doon yung hotel namin. Nagliwaliw muna kami maski saan dahil hindi pa kami nakaget in. That's our hotel over there. Yan. Oh, perfume. Marketplace.
5 pour 5 5 parfait, 5 euros 5 pour 5 5 pour 5 5 parfait, 5 euros 5 parfait, 5 euros 5 pour 5 5 pour 5 5 parfait, 5 euros
Talaking. Alam sama ako sabon lina sa akin. Sama ako sabon lina. Tuliban. Katso minon lau ko ni eta sa emen. Ni pasaon. Pais timpano. Kaikin. Mga damit. Lahitan ko, boys. Ante ng market. Yan, ang dumi na. Yun, mga nagdidinis sila. Yun. Tingnan natin. Ikutin namin ito. Hindi pa kami nakarating dito eh. No, may mentimban. May bahan lai. Ala, kilamitan. Used to. Eh, katutanong ko siya na yuta. We're here at the pastry. This is good. Is that salty, by the way? That one?
Yeah, chicken and seafood.
Chicken and meat?
Chicken and seafood.
Seafood?
Exactly.
That's it. Elison is kasi mo nin iniman merin. Kain. Haluat ko tumusta.
Ja mitä toinen oli
Ito ang kana.
kana?
Utatan ko kana.
Kumpaa nyt ottaa molempia yksin?
Molemmat paikka otetaan yksi.
Joo. Otetaan sillä joo.
What's your name?
It's Rawan. Rawan.
Rawan.
Yeah. It's
Oh.
Arabic name.
What beautiful name.
Yeah.
Rawan. And this is her. You will be. You will be at my blog, Ellie Lintula Blog. Yes, I do. It's just a very small channel. And just see you around. Bye-bye. Noni, guys, alam mo yung binili namin doon kay Ruan, yung sa pastry, ito. Masarap pala ito. I love it. Because there is pansit, oh. May pansit. At saka may seafoods nga, everything. This is good. The other one, yung chicken naman, ito yung laman ng sa chicken. Sarap din. Kaya love it. Ito ang dessert. Yummy. Yummy. That's it, guys. Ako'y mag-drink na ng tea. Okay, bye.